Slide me in the plastic right there.
What plastic?
That plastic in that box. Run and growl, boy. Get it? Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's Saturday, and Brantley and I had some big plans for today. We were going to get this slab in here in the enclosed part of our building ready to pour. But as you can see from the intro of this video, we got about 4 inches of snow last night. It's about 25 degrees, and the wind's blowing, and it's just not pleasant out. So I figure I'm gonna let it lay till another day. So anyway, but there's one question I want to ask, and I want some opinions if you don't mind sharing. But my plan initially was to insulate underneath this garage slab. I'm going to put heat and air in here, so we'll be able to keep it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But I'm I guess on the edge here of whether or not I'm going to do it. Probably cost me about $1,500. I was going to put 1 inch of the foam insulation I was going to put underneath the slab, but I got to thinking, if obviously you've got a constant ground temperature, and so you know you get on concrete and it's cool, but I got to thinking, well, in the wintertime it'd be nice to have that little bit of insulation barrier underneath the concrete and the ground. It'd be easier to warm. But in the summertime, when it's 90, you're still going to be somewhat consistent in the ground temperature underneath this building. So are you better off to just leave it out, and that way you'll get the benefits of it in the summertime with, you know, having that cooler temperature in your concrete? So I'm tossing it back and forth. So no project, we just brought some materials up here and dropped them off today, but I'm curious. I'm going to poll the audience. So anybody that might see this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd chime in and give me your opinion. Should I spend $1,500 and put insulation under the concrete, or should I just get in here and get everything leveled up, gravel it down, put my vapor barrier down, put the steel in it, and go ahead and pour it? So any opinions, I'll listen to them, and we'll see what decision we make here in the next week or so. So anyway, sorry I don't have any projects for you, but we'll catch you on another one. Brantley, you got anything to add?
Nope. It's super cold.
He said it's cold. So anyway, I'm going to put him back in the truck. We're going to go to the house and find something else to get into. We'll catch you later.